Alright, so we have a big mouth Billy Bass here that my friend Multi Super Guy 101 sent me. This is a 2022 big mouth Billy Bass. Well, what's wrong with it? He bought this off Walmart's website when it came out, and he got a returned unit where the mouth didn't work and the whole fish on the within the back of the box, it was just flopping around. But here it is. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't like it. Especially the fact that they couldn't make something to cover up this empty slot right here for where the adapter jack originally would go. Then probably cover that with some electrical tape so that way no bugs get inside there. Anyways, can we fix it?